In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode on canvas. If you're someone who spends a lot of time designing or working on this platform, you might often find yourself wishing for a more eye-friendly interface. Well, enabling dark mode is a simple solution that can help reduce eye strain, especially in low light environments, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into your Canva account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a settings icon that resembles a little gear. Go ahead and click on this icon. This is your gateway to myriad customization options, and dark mode is just one of the many features you can toggle. After clicking the settings icon, you'll be taken to a page with various options. The next step is to locate the accessibility section within the settings. Accessibility settings are designed to make your user experience as smooth and as comfortable as possible, catering to a wide range of needs. So once you find accessibility, go ahead and click on it. This will open up a host of settings tailored to make Canvas easier to use, particularly for those who may have different visual preferences or needs. Now, under accessibility, you should see an option labeled Dark. Clicking on this will activate the dark mode feature, and voila. Your Canvas interface will switch from its default bright background to a sleek dark theme, much easier on the eyes, particularly if you're working late at night or in a dimly lit room. For some of you, using dark mode might not just be a preference but a necessity. It can not only help reduce glare, which in turn reduces eye fatigue, but it can also make the text more readable and comfortable over extended periods of use. Before wrapping up, let's quickly go over some tips to keep in mind. If you ever need to switch back to the original light mode, you can follow these steps again and select light instead of dark under the same accessibility settings. Also, keep an eye out for any updates from Canva, as they may introduce more customization options in the future. And there you have it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in setting up dark mode on Canvas. Feel free to rewatch any parts of the video if needed, or drop any questions you have in the comments section below. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy your newly customized eye-friendly Canvas interface. Whether you're designing during the day or burning the midnight oil, this adjustment is sure to provide a more pleasing visual experience. Happy designing!